You can have your black.
No, that's nice, man. Like, seriously, if you don't want to wear it, I'll wear that.
I wear it.
You guys can fight over it.
Okay, hurry up. Do the other one.
Open it.
Oh.
Use your strength, man. Come on.
Just rip it open.
Oh, okay.
Jeez. Nah. Oh, that's nice.
That's for sleeping.
Yeah.
I don't wear
that-
pajamas though.
Oh, then you wear it.
Then you have to wear now.
Then you start wearing now.
Unless it's tighter than mine.
Okay,
Mine
sit
is
down, boy.
garbage.
Just sit down, like on your
So
knees,
big.
right, like that.
I'm not gonna get fat.
I don't think it would fit me though.
Yeah, I don't
Then
think
you open the other one now, Paul. That
Yeah,
one.
open that one.
No,
That's from Kuya Bit.
no, don't open it yet. No, don't open it yet.
Now open it now.
No, there's only two left. Oh! Oh, he's gonna love it, I'm sure.
Yeah. Okay.
I told you mine's better.
Okay, I need you and him to open the same because you have the same gift. Open the same. Open the same time, please. I need you guys to both open it, but close your eyes while you're doing it. Lingkod ito ta. No, it's good, it's good. You like it?
Hey.
Lingkod,
Let's
lingkod.
see how it goes. I love your sleepers, Paul.
Okay, close your eyes.
That's from Antithesis.
Close your eyes and open it.
Dildo. That's dildo, man.
Close your eyes.
Hey. My eyes is closed. No. You're looking.
Maybe. Ay, siya lang.
Yeah.
Try to wear it.
Hey, maybe this is yours. It's bigger.
What is it? Is it Konimota? No, I
Oh, medium.
I put that on.
No, you try it on, Albert.
Yay.
Oh my gosh, you like your apple.
Did I tell you?
Mama's like, oh my god, you're like uncle now.
No, man, I'll fit you. That's good.
Oy, may nalaman, baka nakainom doon ako ano.
What? Lain mo kong gatag si mo.
Yes, grandma.
Lain akong gatag si mo.
May galing na wala.
No, I was gonna give you one. See? See? Tanawa mo lap. Sakto ka nga bit. Sakto sa pool, right? I told you. See, that's not even big on him. Okay, alright, uncles. See? I told you, right? Yeah, the same, but it's not really the same because you're both uncles. Look at mom. She likes it. Yes. That's from me. That's from us.
Thank you.
Welcome. That's from baby Asia.
That's from the one
Hi.
who caused you to make your
Hi.
uncle. Asia, what are you doing?
Okay, mom's turn. Ma'am, nahaang ako ama.
Oh, I love you.
Mungkaga na lang.
Oh, I love your slipper, man.
Yeah.
Maliit tama siguro.
Mungkaga.
Oh, okay. That's good. Huwag pa makapalit.
There you go.
Sabi na ako. Paul was like, oh, Kuya, how did you make this? He was wondering about this.
You like it, boy?
Yeah.
Looks good. There you go, mom. You're welcome.
Okay, mom. My.
Sweetheart, you can have my comforter.
No, wait.
Sure.
Whose is this?
No, that's mine.
Okay, well.
Ayan na.
Oh, that's from Kuya Abel. Okay, tanaw na ito ni. Saan eh?
Oh, that's not good.
Wrap that with love because there's a ribbon on its tank.
Just open it, mom.
Just rip it.
Just rip it off.
What? It takes fun.
Yay.
What is that?
Just open it.
Just open it, mom.
Oh, get that card for
What, even nang gikuan?
Get a knife.
Yeah, go get the knife.
Get a knife bit there. Paul,
Excited kiss mama.
baka nini.
Mom, man, you don't like that?
Oh yeah, of course I like
Ah,
it. Tawa na sa tanang to sa siya.
Ito man.
Lululi mo na.
Nanganday. Kuya ko duho.
Oh, this is lovely.
She likes it.
Size 7.
You like it, mom? Kuya ko mama, kalmahala. Kuya ka mga gifts ba?
Yeah.
Alam ba yan? Ta ikapang kuan ma, ikapa ng ikapa na. No, gana sa niya. Ikapang sud ba? You have to touch it.
Good, put it away. Can't delete my gift.
Manghatag sa gida yun.
No.
No, sakto na. Just touch it like that. There you go.
Ato ko sa baleta akong kuan.
Ah, sure.
Oh, I like it. Ay, Isya, ato tatong kwarto, Isya.
That's
Ay,
good.
Isya, it's
Okay, where are my boots? Where are my boots?
Okay, Asia's turn.
Ikay open mo lang. Sila pa
Yeah,
video.
give me advice. Or
Sila pa
the...
video ha, ikay open ka.
Po, palihog ko. Oh, sige, okay lang.
Ay,
Okay.
hindi na.
Taon na.
Awa silang sa Christmas tree.
I-post mo sa post.